Welcome my 7th class students to Easy Learning channel. You are all seeing my videos and comments on them. Thank you so much. Today we are going to learn chapter number 15 Statistic. In this chapter we will learn average and frequency distribution table. म्हणजेच आपण 15व्या प्रकरणामध्ये सरासरी आणि वारंवारता सारणी तक्ता पाहणार आहोत. Let's learn part number 15.1 average. म्हणजे आपण 15.1 या भागामध्ये average शिकत आहोत. In mathematics, to make such an estimate, we find the average. म्हणजेच गणितात असा अंदाज करण्यासाठी सरासरी काढतात. We are going to look at several examples. We will look at several examples of why find the average. म्हणजे सरासरी का काढतात याचे आपण उदाहरणे पाहूयात. We hear many example in transactions. म्हणजे आपण व्यवहारात अनेक उदाहरणे ऐकतो. How much rain fell average? What is the average attendance? How much profit was made on average? म्हणजे सरासरी पाऊस किती पडला, सरासरी हजेरी किती आहे, सरासरी नफा किती झाला, अशी उदाहरणे आपण व्यवहारात ऐकत असतो. Let us solve some examples to understand the meaning of the word the average. म्हणजे आपण average या शब्दाचा अर्थ समजण्यासाठी काही उदाहरणे पाहूया. The following table shows how many minutes Asmita took to cycle to school every morning from Monday to Saturday. म्हणजेच अस्मिताला शाळेत जाण्यासाठी सोमवार ते शनिवारपर्यंत किती मिनिटे लागतात ते दिलेले आहे. अस्मिता गोइंग टू स्कूल बाय सायकल. डे मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेन्सडे, थर्सडे, फ्रायडे अँड सॅटरडे. मिनिट्स शी टेकन मंडे 20 minutes, ट्यूसडे 20 minutes, वेन्सडे 22 minutes, थर्सडे 80 minutes, Friday 80 minutes and Saturday 20 minutes. In this way she taken minutes. We see from the table that she takes 18 minutes on some days, 20 on others and even 22 minutes on one day. If we consider these 6 school days, what would you say the approximate time she takes to cycle to school? In the mathematics, to take such an estimate, we find average. If we add together the number of minutes required on each day and divide the sum by 6, the number we get the approximately the time required every day. It is the average of all 6 numbers. म्हणजेच 6 दिवसांच्या मिनिटांची बेरीज करून त्या बेरजेला 6ने भागले तर जी संख्या मिळेल ती अंदाजे रोज लागणारी वेळ असेल. म्हणजे त्या संख्यांची सरासरी. Let's find average. Sum of the number of minutes take to cycle to school on each 6 days upon total days. Let's write down all numbers. 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18 plus 20 upon total days 6. Here sum of these all numbers is 118 divided by 6. Here I divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. Remaining 5 taken 8. 6 nines are 54. Subtraction is 4. Then I took decimal point in quotient. 6 6 are 36. Remaining 4. Here answer is 19.6. 19 2 upon 3. 19 2 upon 3 minutes she taken. Answer is, on an average, Asmita takes 19.2/3 minutes to cycle to school every day. Thus, average is found to make estimates in mathematics. On an average, Asmita takes 19.6 minutes to cycle to school every day. Next example is, a school conducted a survey to find out how far their students live from the school. Given below is the distance of the houses of 6 of the students from the school. Let us find their average distance from the school. म्हणजेच एका शाळेने विद्यार्थ्यांचे घर शाळेपासून किती दूर आहे हे जाणून घेण्यासाठी सर्वेक्षण केले. त्यातील 6 विद्यार्थ्यांचे शाळेपासूनचे अंतर दिलेले आहे. स्टुडंट्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Distance from school. First student's home is 950 meters from school. Second student's distance from home to school 800 meters. Third student 700 meters. Fourth student 1.5 kilometers. Fifth students 1 kilometer and sixth number student 750 meters. In this chart, some distance meters and some distance is kilometers. To find the average, we must first express all the distance in same units. So, convert into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1.5 kilometers is equal to 1500 meters. Here we convert into meters. Let's find average. Sum of the distance between home and school for 6 students upon total number of students. We write down all 6 numbers. 950 plus 800 plus 700 plus 1500 plus 1000 plus 750 upon 6. Total number of students 6. Here we first add the 6 numbers. Addition is 5700 divided by 6. Here I divided by 6. 6 9s are 54. Remaining 3 taken 0. 6 5s are 30. Subtraction 0 taken 0. 6 zeros are 0. Quotient is 950. Average 950 meters. The average distance at which the students live from the school is 950 meters. 950 meters. Next example is, here Rutuja practice skipping with rope. Find the average number of jumps per minute. Example number 3. Rutuja practice skipping with the rope all 7 days of a week. The number of times she jumped the rope in 1 minute every day is given below. म्हणजेच ऋतुजा 7ही दिवस दोरीच्या उड्यांचा सराव करत होती. त्याचा सरासरी काढूया. ऋतुजा practice skipping with a rope all 7 days. Here given days in below chart. Monday to Sunday. Number of jumps. Monday she jumped 60 jumps. Tuesday 62. Wednesday 61. Thursday 60. Friday 59. Saturday 63 and Sunday 58. Let us find the average of these jumps. Average sum of the number of jumps on 7 days upon total number of days. First we write all numbers of jump. 60 plus 62 plus 61 plus 60 plus 59 plus 63 plus 58 upon total number of days 7. Here we write formula of average and write numbers. Next, add this all numbers. 3 remaining 2, 40 plus 2 42, 423 divided by 7, answer is 60.42. Average number of jumps per minute is equal to 60.42. 60.42. We know that the number of jumps will be counted in natural numbers. आपल्याला माहित आहे की दोरीच्या उड्या नैसर्गिक संख्यांमध्ये मोजतात, अपूर्णांकात मोजत नाहीत. इथे उत्तर अपूर्णांकात आलेले. नेवर विल देअर बी अ फ्रॅक्शनल नंबर ऑफ जम्प्स, हावेवर देअर ॲव्हरेज कॅन बी अ फ्रॅक्शनल नंबर. कोणत्याही दिवशी अपूर्णांकात उड्या मारलेल्या नाहीत, पण सरासरी अपूर्णांकात येऊ शकते. नेक्स्ट, व्हॉट इज स्कोर? The samples that we have of the quantity we are measuring are called reading or scores. म्हणजे ज्या संख्येबद्दल माहिती हवी तिचे जेवढे नमुने आपल्याला दिलेल्या सामग्रीत मिळतात त्याला प्राप्तांक असे म्हणतात. नाव आय नो म्हणजे मला हे समजले. ॲव्हरेज इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ ऑल स्कोर्स इन द गिवन डाटा अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्कोर्स. म्हणजे सरासरी बरोबर दिलेल्या माहितीमधील सर्व प्राप्तांकांची बेरीज भागिले एकूण प्राप्तांकांची संख्या. नेक्स्ट, हिअर गिवन सम ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. फर्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, मेक ग्रुप्स ऑफ 10 चिल्ड्रन इन युअर क्लास, फाइंड द ॲव्हरेज हाईट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन इन ईच ग्रुप. म्हणजे आपल्या वर्गातील 10 मुलांची उंचीची सरासरी काढा. Second activities, with the help of your class teacher, note the daily attendance for a week and find the average attendance. म्हणजे वर्ग शिक्षकांकडून हजेरी पत्रक घेऊन एका आठवड्याची सरासरी हजेरी काढा. Third, average the temperature by recording the temperature 6 days a week. म्हणजे एका आठवड्यातील तापमानाची नोंद घेऊन आठवड्याच्या तापमानाची सरासरी काढा. यासाठी बातम्या पहा, बातम्यांमध्ये तापमानाची नोंद दिलेली असते. Thus, in today's section, we have learned how to find an average by taking average examples. म्हणजे आजच्या भागात आपण सरासरीची उदाहरणे घेतली व त्यामुळे सरासरी कशी काढतात ते आपण शिकलोय. I hope you understand this example. You practice all these examples. Thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regular. Thank you so much.